Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to reverse the sublist items elements in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Py sublist reverse.py, enter. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the original sublist is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Here if you notice, every sublist items is reversed. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which is a Python tutorials, and here the Python tutorials folder is added. Now let me expand this folder. Now in this folder I will add one new Python file called sublist reverse and .py, and here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is reverse the sublist elements in Python. So first I am adding list 1. Whenever we create a list, we need to add the square brackets. Inside the square brackets I am adding another small square brackets which is a sublist 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 comma 5 comma 6 and 7 comma 8 comma 9 and 9 comma, let's add some string here also, comma. Now if you notice, in this list contains some sublist items. Now my aim is I want to reverse the sublist item of this list 1. For that, first we'll print the original list, original sublist comma the list 1. After that I'm using for loop for x, reverse x. This is a reverse rev in list 1. Print here I am adding directly I am adding here rev minus 1 comma end. That's it. Let's check the final output of our application. To check these sublist items, we will get the reverse order or not. First save this file. We will check the output. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. The command is py sublist reverse.py, enter. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the original sublist is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Here if you notice, every sublist items is reversed. Kumar is here, Charan 9. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to reverse the sublist elements in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.